training her son to be such a wonderful husband later on. Nick has actually volunteered. I did not suggest it. Nick volunteered for it. First he volunteered to get all of our compost and bring it outside, you know, like all remains of carrots and stuff, but then he offered to vacuum.
I'm stuck!
Are you stuck? Okay, come here. Let's see. There you go. Hey, you do. Are you vacuuming? Yeah? Are you making the house nice and clean?
Hey!
Hey, what?
The corner's upstairs.
Uh-oh. Here, lift it up one more time. Let me see how strong you are. Let me show you. Show me your... Whoa, look how strong you are. There you go. You got it. Good job. Yeah, so Nick offered to do this. We were eating dinner, and I said, I really have to vacuum. I have to finish vacuuming. I didn't get it all done. And Nick says, Mommy, I'll bring out the compost, and I'll do the vacuuming. I couldn't believe it. I was like, whoa. Okay. Can you say bye-bye?